In the Gospel, on this feast, we hope to listen that Jesus sent another 72 batch of disciples to preach the Word of God. They have listened to the Lord. Nakatanggap sila sa Panginoon. Kaya sila naman ay magbabahagi. Kung ikaw ay nakatanggap, ibahagi mo. Blessings are meant to be shared. Natuto sila sa Diyos, kaya kanila naman itong ipapasa. Nadama nila ang pagmamahal ng Panginoon, kaya naman ipapadama nila ang pagmamahal na ito sa ibang tao. They pass on the passion. Ipinasa nila ang nagpapaliyab sa kanila. Ikaw, ano ang natanggap mo sa Diyos? Nananatili ba itong sayo lamang o ibinabahagi mo ito sa iba? That power, that fire that we have received from God is the passion. The question now is, what is the passion of Jesus? The passion of Jesus is love. And we can see that on His passion on the cross. Love. He shared this love to all of us. And we as followers of Christ are called to share also what we have experienced to Jesus.